Hey y'all, John here, the Crafty Tech Guy. Take a look at the new shop. Still a lot to do, still a lot to organize, still a lot to find a place for, but this will give you an idea of where we're going. Let me know what you think. Okay, let's take a quick tour of the shop. So this is the entrance. So we're coming into the photography room, the staging room. So it's not quite finished yet. I've got a little couch coming that's gonna go over there, and of course we'll have nice curtains up. I'm gonna do this as an accent wall in the back. I've got some wallpaper that I'm gonna put up. There's a little fireplace, mantle action going on. I'm not sure if that's gonna stay right there. I'm not crazy about it. I think it's too close or too big for this room. And then we come into the office. So still a lot of unboxing to do, but that will be the office. I need to get art on the walls. I do have a year-long calendar coming up that's gonna go on that wall so I can plan. So we come into here to the warehouse. This is gonna be the receiving area. Right now, it's the box area because I gotta figure out where these boxes are gonna go. But I did get me a nice little cart for the boxes. And then we come in. Here's kind of our little break station, microwave, cabinet for supplies, break table that's full of stuff right now. This rack where I still got to figure out where it's gonna go. A lot of new ribbon and luxury ribbon that's on the website over at the craftytechguy.com. Ribbon racks, so these will get filled soon. Here's a bunch of boxes that have stuff in them that I gotta figure out where it's gonna go. There's the half bath. Here's the new work table that I had built that's gonna be amazing. There's the mesh rack. Here's the go live station. There's gonna be a tree back there full of picks. There's kind of my working cart. A lot of bins with supplies we gotta figure out where to go. Here's the workstation for the shop. There's the Roland. There's the Epson sublimation printer. Here is the shipping and press area. So we've got that going because I shipped out our first orders today. And then up there is storage. So up there is like fall, Christmas, Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, because those are over. So I say Halloween. So that's where I can store seasons that I'm not currently working on. Here's all the ribbon, everyday ribbon by color to go in the ribbon racks. So yeah, so that is the shop for now. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know what you think, either by replying to the email, because I am sending this out in an email, or I may have posted it on Facebook. So comment below, let me know what you think.